American inflation in June was 3%, below the 3.1% expected. Now, in Australia, that'd be enough for the Reserve Bank to relax, since its target is 2 to 3% inflation. But in the United States, the target is a flat 2%. So markets still expect one more rate hike, especially with core inflation, which is CPI minus food and fuel, at 4.8%. But what's really striking is that US inflation has come down a lot without a recession so far. Every other time the CPI has fallen this much, the economy is well into a recession by now. But what had been the most forecast recession in history hasn't happened yet. The US CPI was released at 10:30 last night, our time, or 8:30 a.m. in New York, and the US dollar promptly dropped to a 15-month low, so the Aussie dollar did the opposite and is currently trading above 68 US cents for the first time in a few months. Commodities also rose strongly because of the lower US dollar, and the US share market rose to a 15-month high, which rubbed off on share prices in Asia today. And in Australia, where the All Ordinaries Index closed 1.6% higher, thanks to decent gains by all of the market leaders. Trade in Fortescue Metals was a bit rocky today because founder and chairman Andrew Forrest has split up with his wife, Nicola. She gets half the family's 36.7% stake in Fortescue, and she keeps the 50 million shares she got in June. So Andrew has dropped from second to 10th on the rich list, down from $33.3 billion to a measly $13.5 billion. And Nicola is now worth more than him, $14.6 billion, and 8th on the list. And that's life.